Can you imagine, guys? This is the first trade idea I'm taking this week, and it went directly to stop loss within some few seconds. I was even trying to update my Telegram group, and before I could be back, I've already hit like about 90 pips stop loss. Guys, if you are not in my Telegram group, make sure that you join my Telegram group. Like, the market moved really, really very fast. That's why we say that the market is so dynamic. And the trade idea was a buy on XAUUSD. I'm going to be explaining the reason why I took a buy on XAUUSD. Stay tuned. So the reason why I took a buy on this trade idea was that XAUUSD was projecting to the upside, as you can see. So it was projecting to the upside. So now, and I brought out my Fibonacci retracement. For those of you that doesn't know, I normally use Fibonacci retracement. So I put it at the last higher low, then stretch it to the place price started tanking down, the place that price started reversing. I normally use the 61.8 on the Fibonacci retracement, which is this place. Then I scale down to 1 minute time frame. For my entry confirmation. So when I got to the 61.8 in 1 minute, so I saw series of lows like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one. So price was refusing to break the previous low, which is this one right here. So, and I saw a chart pattern, which is like a W pattern here. You understand, signifying that price is going to continue to the upside. So I have to place a buy trade right here. But nevertheless, the market did not even take any time to push down when I've already entered a buy setup. So the market just pushed down and immediately took us out. That was how I took a loss on this particular setup. Literally, guys, the market is so dynamic. Like, it keeps changing constantly. Look at that first trade. I couldn't even record the entry properly. Before I know it, I've already hit stop loss. The trade is not even up to like 2 minutes. Like, I've already hit stop loss of about like 90 pips. Can you imagine that? The market is so dynamic. But one thing that I've learned about trading, like the market, is that your risk management should be on point. Like, your risk management should really be on point. Like, now, if you look at what I'm doing on this channel now, you can see that the lot size that I was using before, I've already dropped it. And the reason is that because I've sensed that I'm on losing streak. If you look at the lot size that I was using previously, like last week, you can see that the lot size was about like 0.03, 0.02. But now, because I've been losing trade now, I've already dropped it to 0.01. So the kind of risk management I'm using on this challenge is progressive risk management, or progressive risk strategy. So this is a strategy by which if I win more, I risk more, and if I lose more, I risk less. And that's the reason why I'm using 0.01 now. So until I win a trade which I use 0.01, then I can increase my lot size to 0.02. Then it goes like that. So now, let us look at what day 2 have to offer us. With the correctional movement that has happened on XAUUSD, I saw that the market is projecting for an impulse movement because the market refuses to create a lower low. So when I saw that, I decided to scale to
1 minute time frame. On 1 minute time frame, I saw change of structure towards the upside. When I saw the change of structure, I decided to take the advantage for a buy. So I decided to go back to 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame, there was a previous strong support which was confirming our buy setup. But as the market will have it, the market managed to take us out. After taking us out, then the market later projects for a buy. Day two, guys, I also took a loss on XAUUSD, like almost about 90 pips also. So guys, I'm officially on a losing streak, but nevertheless it is what it is. Like, we just have to accept what the market give us. But I projected that the market was going to buy, but somehow the market managed to take me out before it later bought, because at the end of the day that market later bought. But I just have to accept it and and move on. So one thing about this challenge is that, like, if you are doing a challenge, your risk management should be on point. If you look at it now, I've literally took about 4 trades that went into losses, but overall I'm still in profit with just one trade idea. With just one trade idea, I'm still in profit. What do you think that is happening? It is risk management. That's the power of risk management. Like, your risk management should be on point, and all this thing is, you learn it with experience. Because I'm not just trading, like, I've literally been trading for about like 4 years, even though it was not consistent. But all this risk management static, I've learned it with experience. That's why they say that experience is the best teacher. But one thing I know about this challenge is that I'm not going to rush it. You understand? I'm going to calm down and trade. If I see a trade, I take. If I don't see a trade, then I leave it. Like, I'm not going to rush. I'm not going to try to pass this challenge within like 1 month, 2 months. Well, yes, I can pass it within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It depends on the opportunity that the market presented or is presenting. But I'm not going to rush it. Even though it takes me like 1 year, I don't care. That's one thing about it. If you don't want to be throwing your money to like prop firm or the market, if you just don't want to be throwing your money away, you have to calm down. Especially if you're a newbie, or you are someone that don't have enough money to throw to prop firm or to throw to the market. You understand what I'm saying? You have to calm down very well and trade according to your risk management, according to your trading plan, and that's what I'm going to be following. One thing about trading is that if you are just starting out, calm down and trade, relax yourself and trade. You don't have to try to pass a challenge within like 1 week, 2 weeks. You understand what I'm saying? Make sure that you calm down and trade it as long as possible for you to be able to pass, because on this challenge there's no time limit. So why you rushing? Are you guys what I'm saying? Except you have enough money that you just want to be wasting and to be throwing to the market. This is what most people will not tell you. You understand what I'm saying? So calm down, relax your nerves, and trade. Trade it. Try your best to pass it, and that's what I'm literally going to be doing on this journey. I'm going to try give it all my best to pass it, but I'm not going to rush it. Are you guys what I'm saying? So it's when you are able to have a funded account, you're able to stack a lot of accounts up, and you have money, then you can try to be passing a pro firm challenge within like 1 month, within like 1 week, 2 weeks. So because you already have in more than enough money to trade a pro firm by that time. But if you don't have more than enough money, just make sure that you calm down and trade according to your risk management. Your trading plan is going to help you, it's going to help your psychology, and make sure that you are emotionless. So this week I only took 2 trade, and the reason is that with the kind of risk management I'm using, if I take 2 trade and it was a loss back to back, I'm meant to give trading a break for like 2 days. And the last time that I traded this week was on Wednesday, and it was a loss. That means Thursday and Friday I'm not going to trade, which I did not do. So that means I'm going to be trading next week Monday. That's the reason why I only took 2 trades this week. It's because of my risk management. It is part of my risk management because I had 2 losses back to back this week. So that's the reason why I only took 2 trades this week. That's just it for now. With that being said, this is the P and L for this week. So that's the P and L for this week. So literally I'm still in profit for the month of May. So hopefully next week, which is another new month, that is June, hopefully it's going to be good for us and it's going to be a blessed month for us. So make sure that you stay tuned on this channel. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because this journey is just beginning. It's going to be an inspirational journey. Make sure that you keep it locked down here. Peace out.